We started in 1975 in a small shed in Cranbourne building a prototype and started production 76 in a little factory in Springvale building one camper a day.
I had a history of playing in rock and roll bands and writing jingles and so forth, and that's how I got into advertising.
So at that stage I realised that I could probably give a little bit more back to the industry than I had been, so I joined the committee of the CTIA.
I got into the industry in 77 and I think the numbers then were 24,000 or 25,000, maybe even 30,000.
Doug Thorley, when we had our own caravan yard, was quite a competitor.
And we put him into the second series of World Series cricket. They did 320 caravans in the month of February 1979.
Just tell us some of the things you did, like Caravan Holiday, the video, and things like that.
Fun. That was most enjoyable, to tell you the truth, Ron.
Is that really your caravan?
Yes.
How long is it?
Oh, about 28 feet.
Boy, else it's got everything in it.